What if the phone that nearly destroyed a company became the one that saved it? In 2016, Samsung phones were catching fire. Planes banned them. Millions were recalled. This is the story of how a single device brought a tech giant to its knees, and how it rose again. Seoul, South Korea. Samsung Electronics, a company once known for TVs and chips, was chasing a new dream: to lead the smartphone world. This is the story of the Samsung Galaxy, a product line that changed how billions of people connect, and a brand that had to survive its own biggest mistake to get there. In 2009, Samsung released its first Android phone. It sold modestly. But in 2010, everything changed. The original Galaxy S launched, powered by Google's Android system. It was Samsung's answer to a growing rival, Apple's iPhone. The race for the future of mobile had begun. The Galaxy S line grew fast. Then in 2011, Samsung introduced the Galaxy Note, a phone with a stylus and a bigger screen. Critics laughed. Customers didn't. The phablet era was born. Year after year, Samsung pushed boundaries. Better cameras, curved screens, faster chips. By 2016, Samsung was a global leader. Then came the Galaxy Note 7. Reports of batteries overheating and catching fire spread across the world. Airlines banned the device. Samsung issued a global recall, one of the largest in tech history, and later permanently discontinued the model. An internal investigation found the battery design itself was the cause. It was a moment of crisis, embarrassment, and enormous financial loss. But Samsung didn't quit. Engineers rebuilt battery safety testing from the ground up, introducing an 8-point safety check still used today. Trust had to be earned back, one phone at a time. 3 years later, in 2019, Samsung took its biggest gamble yet, a phone that folds in half. Early review units broke within days. The launch was delayed, and the world watched to see if Samsung could recover twice in 1 decade. Samsung delayed the launch, fixed the design flaws, and released a stronger, safer Galaxy Fold. Today, foldable phones are considered a serious innovation across the industry, a redemption story built on hard lessons about safety and patience. The Galaxy story isn't just about phones. It's about what happens when a company fails publicly and chooses to rebuild rather than retreat. Sometimes the biggest innovations rise from the biggest mistakes.